Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi everyone. Today I will teach you about the trigonometry and we will learn about the trigonometry. So the word trigonometry actually this came from the Greek words trigonon, and this means the triangle, and metron, to measure. When you measure a triangle, okay, when you measure the sides and the angle of a triangle, so you say this is the art, this is the thing you are doing is known as the trigonometry. Okay, so we are starting from the basic. So look here, this is a triangular shape. Okay, this is triangle. Okay, so the shape is triangular. Okay, three sides and three angles. Look here. Okay, I am now uh, putting some letters to define the sides and angle of this triangle. Okay, I'm writing here A, B, okay, C. Now look here, this AC is a side. AB is also side of the triangle, and CB is also side of this triangle. Now, ABC is a triangle and its sides are AC, AB, and CB. Okay, now if you look at this shape and this angle ACB, this angle, okay, this is the angle of the triangle. Okay, this angle is known as ACB. So the middle letter, this middle letter is let's suppose we are expressing this angle, so we'll write this as a ACB. Okay, so you can write angle like this and also like this. Okay, both these signs are used for the angles to express the angle. So the middle letter actually, this is the basically the letter which is in the middle of two alphabets. Okay, so this is expressing the angle. So this angle, when we say ACB, so ACB is this angle. Okay, now if we are saying ABC, let's suppose this is another angle. So ABC, so middle angle is here B. So at this time when we are writing ABC, so we are expressing this angle. Okay, so this angle B. So this is the expression of the angle, how we express the angles and the sides. So the shape which has three sides and three angles is known as the triangle. Okay, so now uh, basically two main points, we will learn two main points about the uh, triangle. Okay, so the right angled triangle, and second the ratio. This is written as SOHCAHTOA. So this is actually the ratios of the triangle. Okay, okay, so ratios of the triangle, two things. Okay, so right angled triangle. So right angled mean, right mean when you are saying right angled. So this means the triangle, okay, only I'm underlining this. I underline this word only. Okay, right angle. This means the 90-degree angle. Okay, when two perpendicular lines bisect each other at a point, so the angle formed at that point is known as the right angle. Let's suppose two straight lines, two perpendicular lines. Let's suppose this one, okay, this one. When these lines are intersecting each other, okay, at this point, so these are straight lines. So the angle formed at this point, let's suppose this is point O. So this is known as right angle. Okay, this is known as right angle, and we put a box like this shape. Okay, so this express this box. Okay, this shows that this is a right angle. okay, the angle of 90 degree. Okay, so 90 degree. I'm deleting this now. So now what is right angle triangle? Any triangular shape, any triangle has 190 degree angle, has 190 degree angle, is known as right angled triangle. Okay, so look at the shape here. So this is a right angle triangle. Why? Because this A B C means at point B, where both the lines CB and AB intersect each other, at this point the angle is 90 degree. Look here. And also I told you there's a box. When we draw a box, this indicates this angle is 90 degree. So this angle, we can say that this is a right angled triangle. Okay, right angle triangle, because one angle is 90 degree, one angle is 90 degree. So this is known as the right angled triangle. Now, okay, this was a easy, very easy, that what is right angle triangle. So this is not only there's a shape, it's like will be like that or must like that. Okay, so it's shape. Okay, these are the other shapes of right angle triangle. Okay, and this is another shape. So different shapes. Okay, but one angle is right angle, means the angle of 90 degrees. So we will say this is a right angle triangle. Okay, so second thing. Okay, so what are the ratio? Actually this is written as SOHCAHTOA. These are actually the ratios. What are the ratios of the triangle? So basically S indicates, so actually these words are derived from, these are the abbreviation of, let's suppose SOH. Okay, SOH. I'm taking this word, so SOH. Now here S indicates sine. Okay, sine. And okay, first I'm explaining these. Okay, these are the abbreviation of, S is the abbreviation of sine, O is the abbreviation of opposite, and H is the abbreviation of hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Okay, so when we are saying these are the abbreviations, SOHCAHTOA, these are the abbreviations of sine, opposite, hypotenuse, cos, adjacent, hypotenuse, tangent, opposite, and adjacent. Okay, tangent, opposite, and adjacent. So actually first we have to know this, which side is opposite and which side is adjacent. Okay, so very simple way to know which side is which side of all these three sides is opposite and which side is adjacent, and it is a very simple way to know this. Okay, look here, there are two angles. One is 90 degree angle. Okay, one is 90 degree angle and other is X. Okay, so I didn't write here the accurate or exact angle. So I expressed this angle. Okay, this is a basic angle, you can say. Okay, this is X. Okay, I named it as X. So when both the angles are on one side, okay, when both the angles are lie on one side, let's suppose this side AB. Now AB, look here, both the angles, 90 degree angle and X angle, both the angles are on the one side. So this side is always known as adjacent. Okay, mean these are joined together. Okay, adjacent actually. So when both angles are at one line, okay, okay, same line, this is known as this side, this line or this side is known as adjacent. Now, second thing, what is the opposite? So the side opposite which is opposite to the angle, basic angle, okay, x, to the angle x, or any, you can write here x, theta, or any other, okay, you can use here. I wrote here x, y, or anything. You can express the angles by theta. You can also write theta here, okay, or x, or any other thing. So but I wrote here the x, the letter x. So okay, so then front of, so the opposite of the side opposite of angle x is known as opposite. Okay, got it? Very easy. Now, the side which is opposite to the 90-degree angle, okay, or the right angle, is known as hypotenuse. Got it? So this is, so there are three sides. First is adjacent, second is opposite, and third is hypotenuse. Okay, so these we can say SOH means signs and opposite. Okay, these are actually the ratios SOH. So this is sine, opposite, and hypotenuse. So I'm explaining this, but you must know this, which side is opposite, which is adjacent, and which is hypotenuse. Okay, so this is very simple way and an easy way to know the sides. Okay, so next is, if you want to know that, let's pause. Now I'm writing here, as I indicated this angle by x, so I will write here sine of x, like SOH. Okay, so sine of x, sine of x, sine of this angle, okay, this x angle. Okay, so this angle is equal to, no, is equal to O, I mean opposite, over, this is H, so H is hypotenuse. Okay, so this is a ratio. So I'm casting the line here. Okay, sorry. Okay, so this is, okay, now look here. So I can't erase this line, so I'm trying. So SOH, sine of x, because I indicated, I represented this angle by x, so sine of x is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, now second thing, ka. So this represents, c is actually for cos of x, cos of x, because I wrote here this angle x. So cos of x is equal to, a indicates adjacent over hypotenuse. Next is TOA. So this indicates, T is actually, this represent tangent theta, tan of x is equal to O. This is O. So opposite over adjacent. So by this way, we can find the angles and the sides. Now I have already pasted the one of picture here. Okay, look here. So so this is okay. So sine, look, as I told you, SOH. S is for sine theta, because in this diagram, in this shape, you can see here this angle, basic angle, is represented by theta. So that's why we wrote sine x, sine theta, sorry. Okay, sine theta. So the opposite side of this angle is opposite, and the opposite of the 90-degree is hypotenuse, and this line which is adjacent, okay, between the two angles, and this is known as the adjacent side. Now ka mean cos theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, and tau is equal to tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. So this was actually all the basics about the right angle triangle, and um, the ratios of trigonometry. Okay, so we will do the practical, the numericals. Okay, numerical of this related to this lesson, okay, this topic, the next okay lesson. So next class I will upload the related numericals of the these ratios. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. Thank you.